Now, for context, we can compare it with the other parties' promises. There's the Conservatives' £1 billion. This is the Liberal Democrats promising £2.9 billion. But even Labour's offer of £11.1 billion isn't enough to drag standards back to 2010 levels.
Short to medium term, we are putting more money into it to make sure the system does work.
A huge amount less than what Labour say they're going to put into it. But again, this general talk of how much funding both parties are going to put forth during this election, the IFS saying, in this respect, neither Labour nor the Conservatives are being honest with the electorate about how both of you are going to pay for these things.
Well, we have been clear that we are going to ask people who earn over £80,000 to pay a little bit more in tax. We have been clear that
and some people under that who will be affected by marriage allowance.
We've been clear also that we're going to ask business to pay a little bit more in corporation tax. We'll still have one of the lowest rates of corporation tax. We've set out those plans in our grey book, which we published alongside the manifesto. And we've been very clear, as your bar graph graphically showed, that we will invest in social care, because if we don't tackle the social care crisis, we're going to leave huge numbers of elderly people and some very other vulnerable adults in an even worse situation going forward. And that has a knock-on effect on the National Health Service. It's part of the reason why the accident and emergency targets aren't being met, why people can't be discharged from hospitals quickly enough. So if we don't fix social care, we're going to have continuing problems in other public services going forward.
Both of the policy announcements.